There are places in the Emirates that everyone knows. And then there are places that feel like they belong to another world entirely. Hidden in the peaks of Khor Fakkan, Najd Al Maqsar is a collection of 300-year-old stone houses. It's a rare bridge between the rugged history of the Hajar Mountains and the quiet luxury of today. No crowds, no city sounds, just the wind, the mountains, and the silence you can finally hear. Let's go inside the most unique heritage stays in the UAE. Today I am taking you one of the most unique heritage stays in United Arab Emirates, and welcome to Najd Al Maqsar. So guys, let's start our Najd Al Maqsar tour with the breakfast in this amazing location, amazing restaurant. And right now I just want to show you how our tables look like. Look at this one, guys. You cannot believe how the breakfast view is just amazing here. Breakfast here is very special because there are only 7 rooms in the whole hotel. It feels very private and quiet. The restaurant sits right at the top of the mountain. While you eat, you have an incredible view of the valley and the mountains of Khor Fakkan. It's definitely one of the most peaceful places to start your day in the United Arab Emirates. So we just finished our breakfast. To be honest, it was like one of the best breakfasts I have ever had in UAE. So the view was just amazing, as I show you, and the vibes are here really totally different. You are not feeling like you are in a hotel, like you are feeling you are somewhere else, you know, like in the history. So it was really nice. Now I will show you the rooms. So we are just going up. Let me show you like this. Look at the view, guys. Still we are in the first floor, I can say. There is no floor, but this is just going absolutely insane. And here is the restaurant. I just want to give you small information about the restaurant. So you don't have to stay actually in the hotel to come to restaurant. You can just book or walk into the restaurant and you can still enjoy. And finally we are here in our room. Look at this one. I am really speechless, guys. Can you feel this Emirati architecture here? Look at this decoration, woods. Oh my god, this is really something very unique, guys. And these stones, they are like 100 years old, and this fortress, it's around 300 years old. Can you believe this one? And most beautiful part, the rooms, guys. Even the outdoor area, like you are not in a usual hotel. This is something really you need to come, experience and feel it. This view, guys, really I love it. As soon as we enter, we have this small seating area with this beautiful tree here. This is the actually front of our just room. I will show you the inside as well, but I just want to finish here first. Here we have again another seating and sofa area, and look at this one, guys. It's not finished. Now we will go like kind of one floor down. Here we have some small stairs. Look at this one. We have one more seating area which is very cute, and this is the view. You are actually seeing this wadi just here, and look at this one. I am not sure if it's visible, but there is also a small river as well, and this is going all the way to mountains. This is the seating area as well. Now let's just go to up. I will show you inside the room. I am so excited because this is so nice, guys. And now we are on the best part. We are going to check the room, guys. Welcome to Najd Al Maqsar in Khor Fakkan. This is our room for tonight, which is absolutely beautiful, very unique. Actually, you are not just staying in a hotel room, you are staying in an Emirati history. These stones on the wall, woods on the roof, it's just amazing architecture, and the atmosphere inside the room. As soon as you step in, you are feeling this is totally something different than usual hotel rooms. This is our bedroom, and you can see how cozy is it. Look at these colors. Here we have these small tables and the lamps just near the bed. We have very nice mirror just right here, And again we have this sofa seating area front of the TV. Even watching TV inside these rooms will be so nice, so cool. Roof is really very high, so it's not like a small hotel room. Actually, you even don't see where is the roof if you don't look directly. And here we have this small kitchen near our bedroom. We have coffee machine, kettle again. And here is our washroom, which is also well designed. Look at that walls, guys, and the stones. This is really very cool. And the flooring, even you can see this small stone decorations. It's very nice. And this is your view. Just step out from the room and you are seeing this beautiful Khor Fakkan mountains, Hajar mountains view. So guys, this was our room tour. What you think? Let me know. Did you like it? Do you want to stay in this room? And right now we are just going to top of the Najd Al Maqsar. So I want to show you also a view from the top, and we are just taking these stairs and we will be there soon. We are almost the top of the Najd Al Maqsar and I can't wait to show you this view. I am really excited. It's very easy to actually go up. Almost we are there.
These stone walls have been here for hundreds of years. At the very top we will find the old tower. It was built a long time ago to keep the village safe. Standing here now, the view of the mountains is just amazing.
And actually here very big area like terrace. I want to show you also mountain side. Look at this view, guys. Wow. You can see this small river here. When the rain came, it's all the way going there. And you can see even the sea from the Khor Fakkan here. So this was one of the main reason when the people built this area, because they want to make sure they are taking this area under control and they can watch over from here to Khor Fakkan beach and Khor Fakkan city.
Being up here makes you feel so far away from the busy city. It's rare to find a place that is so quiet and full of history at the same time. If you are looking for a real escape in the UAE, this is it. Najd Al Maqsar is a place you will never forget.
So guys, this was our Najd Al Maqsar video, and if you are looking some unique staycation in the United Arab Emirates, especially something cultural, peaceful and different than usual resorts, Najd Al Maqsar in Khor Fakkan should be on your list, and let's continue to explore in next videos.